For years, Musk has been at the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution with his Tesla cars. But now, he's taking things to the next level with a battery technology that promises to be twice as powerful, half as expensive, and significantly faster to charge. Can this second-generation battery technology really live up to the hype? Let's find out. Contemporary Amperex technology, SciTL, is gearing up to release a groundbreaking electric vehicle battery that can last for 16 years or cover a distance of 2 million kilometers. This advancement is expected to significantly reduce the cost of owning an electric car and accelerate the shift from gasoline-powered vehicles to electric ones. The key feature of SciTL's new battery is its self-healing and longer life technology, aimed at slowing down the rate of capacity degradation. This means the battery can maintain its performance over a longer period. The battery's lifespan is impressive, being 4.14 times longer than the Tesla Model 3 battery, according to Elon Musk. SciTL achieves this extended lifespan through the use of a low lithium consumption anode, minimizing the active lithium content during cell operation. Additionally, a self-dormant passivation interface is created to lower the activity of lithium ions during storage and reactivate them during use, reducing side reactions. The result is a battery capable of covering 2 million kilometers or lasting 16 years. The battery's superiority lies in its high energy density of 330 watt-hours per kilogram, which is 2.2 times higher than current lithium-cobalt batteries. SciTL employs breakthrough technologies like CTP and cell-to-chassis integration, increasing volumetric usage efficiency and extending the driving range to over 1,000 kilometers. The use of high nickel and high voltage technology further contributes to the battery's excellence. Moreover, the battery features super-fast charging technology, enabling a rapid charge from 0 to 80% capacity in just 5 minutes. This addresses concerns about lengthy charging periods and makes electric vehicles more appealing to consumers. As for when this new battery will be available in Tesla's Model 3, there are plans to incorporate SciTL's M3P battery cells in the refreshed Model 3 rear-wheel drive. This upgrade is expected to significantly boost the range of the Model 3, making electric vehicles even more attractive to consumers. Tesla and SciTL have a history of collaboration, and the new battery packs are anticipated to be used in Tesla models in the near future. SciTL's chairman mentioned that the M3P batteries have better energy density, around 10 to 20% more than the lithium iron phosphate cells currently in the market. According to estimates, these M3P batteries can cover a distance of 700 kilometers, equivalent to 430 miles, on a single charge. Additionally, they are expected to be more cost-effective compared to nickel and cobalt-based cells. The updated Model 3S under Project Highland may become more affordable and have an increased range due to these advancements. The recent developments in Tesla's Model 3 battery technology indicate significant progress. SciTL anticipates that the M3P batteries will cost about 10% more than the current batteries used in electric vehicles, EVs. Typically, EV battery packs range from $4,000 to $15,000. So, the new supercharged batteries could cost approximately $16,500, depending on the Tesla model. In terms of safety, SciTL ensures a 4-dimensional safety protection system, providing aircraft-level assurance. The battery system includes gas-electric separation and active isolation for high efficiency, integration, and safety. The self-stabilizing battery system, developed based on big data, quickly responds to potential issues, ensuring a secure and reliable driving experience. The new battery also incorporates automatic temperature control technology, addressing concerns about EVs in cold weather. The self-heating technology ensures even cell heating, overcoming issues with conventional heating methods. Quick correction technology accurately predicts cell states and maintains the state of charge error rate within a small range. The high-activity cathode material allows quick movement of lithium ions in various weather conditions, while low-viscosity electrolytes enhance conduction speed. This ensures smooth operation even in extreme environments. The smart quick charging approach of the 2 million kilometer battery involves smart management technology, monitoring the battery's full life cycle and employing intelligent charging strategies. The wireless communication within the pack simplifies assembly, reduces costs, and allows real-time monitoring, contributing to the overall efficiency and economics of EVs compared to traditional fuel vehicles. Moreover, recycling components of these batteries helps in manufacturing new batteries. While many batteries are recyclable, research shows that only 10 to 12% of batteries in North America are currently recycled. Recycling batteries prevents the release of toxins into the air and land, reducing environmental harm. Currently, there are approximately 10 billion or 465,000 tons of used electric vehicle batteries in need of processing, and this number is expected to grow to 29 billion by 2025. The recycling industry not only helps the environment, but also creates job opportunities, especially for individuals aged 45 and above. It's estimated that the US will generate 2.3 million jobs in the recycling industry by 2030, with a market value of $88.1 billion. In 2022, the recycling industry was worth about $91 billion in revenue, with an average salary of $16.55 per hour for recycling workers in the United States. So, the recycling sector is not only environmentally beneficial, but also economically promising. Finally, in the latest news, Tesla is increasing battery cell production at Gigafactory, Nevada. This move is expected to boost Tesla's overall vehicle production capacity and take advantage of the electric vehicle tax credits. Panasonic, Tesla's battery cell production partner at Gigafactory, Nevada, has decided to increase battery production due to Tesla's high demand for batteries in the competitive electric vehicle industry. This expansion aligns with Tesla's efforts to secure more batteries for their growing production needs. Tesla has assured in the past that its production of the 4,680 battery cells won't impact its relationships with other battery suppliers like LG Energy Solutions, Panasonic, and Kia TL. Musk and other Tesla executives have made it clear that the company will continue to buy battery cells from its partners. In response to Tesla's statement, Panasonic is adding an extra production line at Gigafactory, Nevada. This new 4,680 cell production line is expected to start operating in a year or two, increasing the site's annual production capacity by about 10%, from 38 gigawatt-hours to 39 gigawatt-hours. At 39 gigawatt-hours, Gigafactory Nevada would be able to produce enough battery cells for Tesla to manufacture between 500,000 to 700,000 Tesla Model 3 vehicles. It's important to note that Tesla is also investing $3.6 billion to expand Gigafactory 1 and handle its production of the new 4,680 cylindrical battery cells, aiming for around 100 gigawatt-hours per year. This expansion aligns with Tesla's efforts to secure more batteries for their increasing production needs. The Inflation Reduction Act of 2022 is encouraging more automakers and foreign battery suppliers to build battery plants in the United States. This act promotes local battery production, making companies eligible for the $7,500 federal tax credit incentive for electric cars, as well as a tax credit of $35 per kilowatt-hour of battery cells. These incentives are enticing businesses, even those who were initially cautious, to invest in domestic manufacturing. Moving on to nickel-hydrogen batteries, NIH-2 batteries, they have been extensively researched by NASA and have been successfully used in space applications for over 3 decades. NASA's NIH-2 batteries are known for their reliability, safety, and durability, making them suitable for long-term space missions. These batteries have powered various space equipment, including the Hubble Space Telescope and geostationary operational environmental satellites. Enter Venue, a nickel-hydrogen battery development company, recently opened a gigafactory in Kentucky to design, manufacture, and test nickel-hydrogen energy storage vessels. NIH-2 batteries consist of a positive electrode, cathode, made of nickel hydroxide, and a negative electrode, anode, made of a porous nickel matrix. They charge and discharge by absorbing and releasing hydrogen gas. NIH-2 batteries are known for their ability to undergo many charge-discharge cycles without significant degradation, making them ideal for space missions. Regarding the cost of NIH-2 batteries, they can vary based on size, capacity, and usage. For consumer devices, they may cost anywhere from $20 to $100. However, for large-scale applications like space missions, the cost can be thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. The recent developments in NIH-2 battery technology aim to reduce costs through mass production and innovative materials, making them more accessible for various applications, including large-scale grid storage. Enter Venue's gigafactory and cost-effective production methods are expected to contribute to a more affordable future for NIH-2 batteries, aligning with the U.S. Department of Energy's target of $100 per kilowatt-hour.